वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा।
If you enjoy after seeing this video, please give a like and subscribe my channel and press the bell button to get my future videos upload information reached first to you. On my Facebook page, I predicted on 1st March 2020 that not a good time ahead of us due to the conjunction of planet Mars and Saturn in the sign of Capricorn or Makara. I predicted that many people may die in different calamities like earthquake, fire, cyclone, etc. Agitation and disagreement will be developed in many countries, and a war-like situation may break out in many countries, and militant activities will be intensified. I also mentioned that this corona pandemic is a result of Mars and Saturn's conjunction in Makara. I also predicted that this pandemic will start to descending from 4th May 2020 onwards, when Mars starts to leave the sign Capricorn and enter the Aquarius or Kumbh. The distance will be increased more when planet Saturn also starts to retrograde from 11th May 2020. The situation would be improved more from June 2020 onwards. You may have observed that many European countries lifted lockdown after the middle of May, and recently Australia, New Zealand also lifted lockdown too. I also predicted India won't be much suffered in this pandemic, though being a highly populated country. India also gave first relaxation on 18th May and lifted partial lockdown on 1st June 2020. India could have handled this pandemic more efficient way. I also predicted that in between 14th April to 13th May, there is a great chance to develop a vaccine for COVID-19 when Mercury would join with exalted Sun in Aries. On 23rd April 2020, you may have observed that fast testing vaccine is injected in a human body in Oxford, England. Many people asked me when India would be corona-free country. India's sign is Makara and its sign lord is Saturn and Guru are retrograding motion right now. For that, Indian people still suffering in June, but good news, Sun recently transited into Gemini or Mithuna on 15th June 2020 in 6th house, the house of disease. This will help to recovering rate faster that you already observed. But Rahu still situated in 6th house for that disease yet not gone. But another good news, on 30th June, Guru Jupiter will enter into Sagittarius or Dhanu, and which will aspect the 6th house too. This also helps to boost up recovering rate and will develop immunity within the public too. Rahu will leave the sign Gemini or Mithuna on 23rd September 2020, and sign Lord Saturn and Guru Jupiter also leave its retrograded motion on 29th September and 13th September 2020 respectively. In a nutshell, India would be corona-free country after September 2020 only. Till that date, take care yours with mask, sanitizer and social distancing. Take tulsi, neem, turmeric, amla, giloy, kalmeg, which scientific name is Andrographis paniculata, which will boost up your immunity system strongly. Kalmeg is the best Ayurvedic herb for any virus-borne diseases, especially dengue, malaria, chikungunya, etc. Take tea with ginger, black pepper, tulsi, elachi also. Hope you will recover fast from Indian Ayurveda. God bless you all. Hare Krishna.